Hello and welcome to TMK Film. Check this out. I'm with Tim.
I
My
have
biggest
a
fan, he says.
video of him before this ramp showing people how to go up a primitive ramp where he takes his truck and goes sideways like this to get up the ramp. I have him on video, rich passage, showing the technique, watching out for fog and the day marker buoys and everything. I have him on video, how to fish Jeff Head, how to fish Shilshow, West Point, you name it, man. This is Dr. Hokey, man. He's the man. Yeah,
Thank
true.
you.
Yeah, good,
Thank you.
rich history.
Thank you.
My friends all know of you too. So,
Oh man, well, anytime you want to have a party, let's get together and reminisce about old days.
And or just go fishing,
Yeah,
like,
I'd rather do that. Just go fishing.
as I recall, last time I saw you, you said, "Well, I'll show you some things or two." My Tide Runner I got, but
Yeah,
that'd be
nice
cool.
boat, though. That was a
go
nice
out there.
boat.
Yeah, I just being a little bit lazy about it. I'm just up the road here. But I'll let you be, man.
All right, and I can give you a rope if you want to hold.
I'm gonna be on. I'll be on the dock or on your side. I got your back.
Okay.
Yeah, he showed me how to fish. No, he hasn't even seen my lure case that I invented because of him.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's worth money. It's the real deal. He had a bunch of his lures that he kept in a gun case. So flies for salmon. It's all about salmon. These flies he made, custom-made flies and everything, and put them in a gun case where he kept the leaders, the length, and everything. It's amazing. It's amazing. So when I was a little bit younger, that kind of blew my mind, and I took it to another level. And I have these lure cases where you can just throw it to someone, they can grab it, never be hooked, put it on their rod and just start fishing right away. They don't have to tie it up or anything. It's really fun. It's cool, but yeah, it's been a while since I've done all that. But seeing Doc just puts a little bit of ammunition in my blood. So I'm glad you guys are getting out there.
Yeah, we started off at the Pierce County, Kitsap County line, and we've been working our way along the coast.
Well, I've seen the video. Go for it. You got a stern line you want me to grab or anything?
Over here on the bow, but wait till I get down to the dock and then you can grab it really.
I'll just listen to you.
Yeah, just get down on the dock.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Be safe out in the water. Bye-bye.